to my channel. Today's vibes is purple. I don't know if you guys can tell. We are going to be doing a purple look, and Colourpop just launched a new palette. It's called It's My Pleasures, and it's very heavy on the purple, so this kind of inspired today's video. I did like a full-on pink look a while ago, so today we're going all purple. As much as I really love like my bronzy, smoky brown eyes, I actually really like wearing purple. I think it looks really pretty on brown eyes. I'm gonna be doing a full face as well, so without further ado, let's just jump into the video. I'm gonna start off with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I've been loving this. This is kind of like my everyday staple now. I love applying this all over the skin. It just gives a really nice, pretty natural, glowy look. My skin just looks bomb when I have this on, so I have been using the heck out of it. On another note, like, how adorable are these beauty sponges? These are from Real Techniques. They're just circle balls. They're so cute. I'm gonna be using this today. Oh, and they're purple. I didn't even do that on purpose, but I'm just going to buff out the Charlotte Tilbury. Like, oh, it just makes the skin look so pretty. I'm actually low-key obsessed with this product. For my foundation, I'm going to be going into the YSL Touche Cloud All-in-One Glow. I used this in my last video where I was trying it for the first time. This is going to be my second time trying it. I'm still testing it out. I want to see how I really feel about it, but for the most part, you guys, I actually really liked the way it looked at the end of the day. It looked so pretty. My forehead was so smooth. I don't know, it just looked flawless. I'm trying it with a brush on this side of my face. I just kind of want to see how it applies with one. I think I like it a little bit better with the sponge just because it looks a lot more flawless and skin-like. So I'm gonna stick to using it with a sponge. Also, in my last video, I tried the new Fenty concealer, and in that video, it was a little bit too light and bright. So I actually went back in yesterday and I got a new shade. I had 150, so I got the shade 170. It's not like a huge leap because I wasn't sure because they all look kind of yellow after 150, and I didn't want to go super yellow or super golden underneath my eyes. So this was the only one that was kind of like more on the neutral side. Oh yeah, it's definitely a lot better. I think this is a better match for sure. It's still a little bit brightening, but it's not super overwhelming. I think this is actually like the perfect like highlight concealer color for me. I like this sponge so far. It's like really squishy and really nice. I thought like the shape was gonna throw me off, but it's almost just like using the butt of a beauty blender. For the under eyes, uno momento, I actually have the baby one. So let's see if this fits a little bit better. Oh, yeah. It's not bad. I think I prefer a little bit of a tip to my sponges. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more concealer. I wonder if this is too light to do spot concealing. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna go into the little Fenty matchsticks in the shade Amber. I'm gonna do a very minimal nose contouring. So to set all of this in place, I'm going to go into my Allure Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Ooh! Oh shoot, I got too much. For my bronzer, I'm taking my Jouer little bronzer duo here with Sunlight and Suntan. I like just mixing these two shades together. It's one of my favorite bronzers to use. For my blush, I'm going with a different tone than I normally do. I'm taking in this shade right here. It's called Happytude, and this is from Nabla. It's a really pretty kind of violet-y bubblegum matte blush. I don't think I've tried this color before. Ooh, it goes on really nicely. It's like a very nice soft blush. It's not super overwhelming. I actually really like that a lot. It's a really cute color. Also, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm just zipping through things and just going like really fast, but I don't know. I feel like I'm just like on a mission today. So for my highlighter, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero palette. I love this. I don't think it's available anymore, but I'm trying to make an effort to use products I haven't used in a while, like things that I've forgotten about. So I know that I love this palette. I'm gonna mix the shade Kitty Cat and Forever Young together. Onto the cheek. Ooh, so good. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is intense. It was a lot of highlighter. I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. I love that my brow products are purple. I'm using the Urban Decay Brow Blade in Taupe Trap and the little tint in the same color. I absolutely love these products a lot. I've been using these for my brows every day. So I'm just gonna fill them in. Nothing crazy over here. Alright, so complexion is done. Before I move on to the eyes, I'm gonna give my skin a nice little spritz of the Catrice Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. This is what the inside of the Colourpop palette looks like. It's super pretty. Like, these metallic colors are gorgeous. I am going to start off with this shade right here. It's called Kitten Fish. I'm assuming that is the catfish's baby, a kitten fish. So I get it. The shade is really pretty. It's kind of like a soft lavender violet shade. All right, so this is going to be the first transition color. I'm basically going to, oh man, wow, that's a lot more pigmented than I thought. I'm basically gonna add this to my crease, but like really blow it out. I'm gonna bring it out a little bit too. I feel like I haven't done a purple look in such a long time. I think the last time I did it was my Halloween Martian video. I'm also taking the shade Kitten Fish on my lower lash line. I actually really like this color a lot. I feel like just this color alone like this adds some mascara or lashes, and it's like this really cool pastel look. I don't know, I really like this, but we're going to zhuzh it up. So now I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's called Fan Fiction. Again, a really interesting, like, muted pink. I feel like it's more like on the pinky side. I'm just going to see if this deepens it up a little. Oh wow, it looks a lot more purple on the eye. Love that. The deepest shade in the palette is called Sleeper. It's kind of like a plummy color. I'm actually going to mix it with a little bit of Chick Lit, that's cute. Just so it's a little bit more purple, and this shade is a metallic shade. Normally, you know, I don't know who made the rules, but to put metallic colors in the lid, but I'm just gonna mix the two colors together just because I want it to be a little bit more purple, and we'll just see what happens. I think that worked quite well. I'm gonna go into the shade Chick Lit, and I'm gonna take that on my tiny little brush here, and I'm gonna deepen up the lower lash line with that. Taking a little bit more of Kitten Fish, and I'm just going to blend the lower lash line so all the colors kind of like mesh together. Here are some of the metallics from the palette. This one up here is Chick Lit. This one is Mr. Sandman, and this middle shade is called Earth Shine. That color is beautiful. I think I want to put that on the inner corner of the eyes. I think it'd be like a really pretty pop. This one is gorgeous, but again, like, I think I want to go more purple. I actually have an idea for the lid. I'm going to take this shade and pop it in the inner corner of my eyes, but for my lids, I might use something else. Oh my god, this color is gorgeous. I low-key want to put this all over my eyelids. Oh my, wow, 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 wow. So for my lids, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Shadow. It's in the shade Sunset Cove. I feel like this would look really, really pretty on the lids. I'm going to just pop that on the center. Ooh. Okay, or that. I'm not technically gonna call this a cut crease, but I do kind of want it to be a little bit more sharp. I'm not technically calling it a cut crease because I'm not good at them, and I don't want to name it something that is not it. I'm taking a little bit of Sleeper and Fan Fiction, and I'm going to just clean up the line a little bit. We're not stopping here, don't worry. I'm actually going to take the shade Earth Shine that we put on the inner corner of our eyes. I'm going to put that on top of the Stila shadow just to give it like a more purple pop, because this has like this really gorgeous like fluorescent purple shade in it. So I'm going to take that shade Earth Shine, and I'm just going to place that right on top of the Stila shadow. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Okay, so it's not like a crazy difference, but I can see more purple. I actually, oh, this is gorgeous. I went ahead and added some purple to my waterline. This is the Colourpop Cream Gel Color in the shade Piggy Bank. I'm going to go ahead and do a black wing real quick and some mascara. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back with the finished eye look. You guys, I love how it came out. I'm feeling this purple. It's beautiful, like the colors, like that lid. It's just everything came out so nicely. If you guys have been waiting for a full-on purple palette from Colourpop, look no further. Like, this palette is beautiful, and I love the look that I created. Let's finish off this look with some lips. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time finding the perfect color to wear with this look. I'm gonna try the Limecrime Unicorn lipsticks in Airborne Unicorn. This is literally the same type of purple, so we're gonna see if this looks good. I'm hoping. I don't wear purple lipsticks, so I feel like I don't have many. Oh. As much as I don't love love purple lipstick on me personally. I feel like this purple definitely complements the eyes, and like the whole purple vibe altogether is really cool, and I love the way this look came out. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, found it helpful. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at mesijesibeauty, Instagram makeup by Jesi. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go, and also hit that little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!